Secure a French twist on medium length hair using 2 club hair sticks. Gather your hair into a low ponytail. Then start twisting the hair and bring the twist up against your head. Gently spread and lay the top layer of the twist so it sits neatly. Depending on the length of your hair, tuck the ends behind the twist or fold them down and push underneath the twist. Secure with hair sticks. Insert the leg of 1 club hair stick into the top half of the twist. Flip, catching some of the scalp hair, and push the hair stick down through the twist. Insert the other hair stick into the opposite corner of the twist, creating an X shape with the hair sticks to secure the hairstyle. An easy French twist updo secured with the magic of hair sticks from Good Hair Days.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.